Welcome back to Our Motorhome, the channel where we take you on a journey through the most luxurious, innovative, and game-changing motorhomes the world has ever seen. Today, we're stepping into a realm that very few have dared to enter, because what we're about to review is more than just a motorhome. It's a rolling palace, a symbol of craftsmanship and elegance that has been redefined for the road. Yes, we're talking about the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. Rolls-Royce first announced they were entering the motorhome market. The world of luxury travel collectively gasped. For decades, Rolls-Royce has been known for making some of the most exquisite cars in existence. Each one hand-built with obsessive attention to detail. Each one crafted for those who demand nothing but the best. But how do you take that level of craftsmanship, that aura of exclusivity, and translate it into a motorhome? Well, Rolls-Royce has done it, and as we'll see today, they've done it in a way that sets a whole new standard for luxury on wheels. From the very first glance, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome announces itself as something completely different. This isn't just a vehicle designed for the road. This is an architectural statement, a mobile mansion, and an experience that blurs the line between transportation and high living. Every inch of its design reflects Rolls-Royce's commitment to effortless elegance. From the iconic grille at the front, modeled after the brand's legendary automobiles, to the spirit of ecstasy proudly perched on the hood, this motorhome isn't shy about its identity. It tells you exactly what it is. The most luxurious motorhome money can buy. The exterior is a masterclass in Rolls-Royce design language. The front end is unmistakably Rolls, with that towering chrome grille, vertical slats gleaming under the sunlight, and those laser headlights that cut through the night like jewels. The entire body is sculpted with precision. Unlike many bulky motorhomes, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome has an elegance to its shape, sleek yet commanding, with fluid lines that give it a yacht-like appearance on land. The paintwork is, as you would expect, perfection. Rolls-Royce allows buyers to choose from an almost endless palette of bespoke colors, from deep royal blues to classic Arctic whites, to unique metallics infused with crushed crystals. And as with all Rolls-Royces, the paint process is painstaking. With multiple coats hand-polished to a mirror finish, the sheer scale of this motorhome is something to behold. Stretching nearly 45 feet in length, with a presence that dwarfs almost anything else on the road, it commands attention wherever it goes. Rolls-Royce designers have managed to make this vast vehicle not just imposing but beautiful. The proportions are balanced, the overhangs are subtle, and the roofline flows gracefully from front to back. Side windows are expansive, framed in polished chrome, allowing natural light to flood the interior while giving it a regal, panoramic look from the outside. Then there are the details. Rolls-Royce has never been about mass production. It's about the little touches that elevate everything into art. Take the door handles, for instance, machined from solid aluminum, perfectly weighted and finished to a satin polish. The wheels are 26-inch forged alloys, designed exclusively for this model, with a floating Rolls-Royce emblem at the center that, no matter how the wheel spins, always stays upright. At night, the exterior is illuminated by subtle LED accent lighting that traces the body lines, creating a soft glow that makes the motorhome look like a sculpture in motion. Perhaps the most jaw-dropping exterior feature, though, is the transformation capability. With the press of a button, the motorhome expands. Side panels glide outward with the grace of a luxury yacht extending its deck, nearly doubling the living space inside. A retractable terrace emerges at the rear, complete with teak flooring, integrated seating, and even an optional outdoor kitchen. It's Rolls-Royce's way of ensuring that no matter where you park, whether it's overlooking the ocean or sitting in the middle of a desert, you're always traveling with your own private villa. Now, stepping inside is like stepping into another world. The moment the automatic doors open, you're greeted with an interior that takes your breath away. Rolls-Royce interiors have always been works of art, but this motorhome raises the bar to unimaginable levels. Imagine a luxury penthouse suite in one of the finest hotels in the world. And now imagine that on wheels. That's what we're dealing with here. The interior is designed around Rolls-Royce's philosophy of effortless luxury. The space is calm, quiet, and sophisticated, with every material chosen for its beauty and tactile pleasure. The flooring is available in hand-laid parquet wood, marble tiles, or even rare stone finishes. The walls are lined with cashmere, silk, or bespoke leather panels, each stitched with perfection. Above, a starlight ceiling spans the entire length of the motorhome, with thousands of fiber optic lights recreating the night sky, customizable to show constellations of your choice, or even mimic the sky from your wedding night, your child's birthday, or any date special to you. The living area is vast, with seating that feels more like fine furniture than automotive design. Sofas are upholstered in the finest hides, hand-tanned and soft as butter, with intricate embroidery that tells a story unique to the owner. Every seat is electronically adjustable, heated, cooled, and even equipped with massage functions. Coffee tables crafted from polished walnut or rare ebony wood sit in the middle, while hidden compartments open to reveal champagne flutes, crystal tumblers, and a minibar stocked with your preferences. The entertainment system is unlike anything else in a motorhome. Rolls-Royce partnered with some of the world's top audio engineers to create a bespoke sound system that delivers concert-level quality, tuned specifically for the acoustics of this space. A 100-inch-old television descends from the ceiling, paired with augmented reality projection systems that can transform the walls into immersive landscapes. Imagine sitting in your Rolls-Royce motorhome in the middle of a snowy mountain pass, but your walls are projecting the image of a Tuscan vineyard. You can quite literally change your environment with the push of a button. Moving further inside, the kitchen is nothing short of spectacular. Unlike many motorhomes where kitchens are compact and utilitarian, this one is designed for gourmet living. There are solid marble countertops, hand-carved cabinetry, and appliances from brands typically reserved for high-end mansions. A full-size refrigerator, induction cooktops, a convection oven, and even a hidden wine cellar are all part of the package. Everything is seamlessly integrated, so when the kitchen is not in use, it blends into the design of the interior, keeping the atmosphere uncluttered and serene. The bedroom is perhaps the crown jewel of the interior. Rolls-Royce designed this motorhome to ensure that owners never feel like they're compromising on comfort, no matter where they are in the world. The master suite features a king-sized bed with a bespoke mattress crafted to the buyer's exact specifications. The headboard is an art piece in itself, customizable with inlays of wood, leather, or even semi-precious stones. The bed faces a massive window, offering panoramic views of your surroundings, and with the press of a button, blackout shades glide silently into place. Storage has been cleverly hidden throughout, with wardrobes finished in cedar to protect clothing, and drawers lined with velvet to cradle delicate items. A walk-in closet is even available as an option, complete with full-length mirrors, jewelry drawers, and climate control to ensure your clothes remain pristine. The bathroom continues the theme of uncompromising luxury. Imagine stepping into a spa every time you use your motorhome bathroom. Floors and walls are finished in marble or onyx, with heated surfaces for comfort. The shower is a rainfall design, with chromatherapy lighting to adjust your mood, and the water pressure is designed to mimic a five-star hotel. There's even an option for a Japanese soaking tub, complete with temperature control and aromatherapy functions. Rolls-Royce has left no stone unturned in ensuring that this motorhome feels like a home in the most luxurious sense of the word, but luxury is only part of the story. This motorhome also has to perform, and Rolls-Royce has delivered something remarkable under the hood. At its core is a hybrid powertrain that combines a V12 engine with advanced electric motors, delivering smooth, effortless power while maintaining efficiency. The motorhome produces over 1,000 horsepower, enough to move this colossal vehicle with surprising grace. Acceleration is smooth and silent, cruising is whisper quiet, and handling is remarkably stable thanks to active suspension systems that constantly adapt to road conditions. What's more, Rolls-Royce has invested heavily in sustainability for this motorhome. Solar panels are integrated into the roof, capable of generating enough power to run many of the onboard systems without using fuel. The electric-only mode allows for quiet, emissions-free travel for short distances, perfect for gliding into campgrounds or urban areas. Advanced battery technology ensures long-lasting performance, and regenerative systems recapture energy while driving the 2026. Rolls-Royce Motorhome is unlike anything else on the road. The cockpit is designed with the driver's comfort in mind, featuring the same elegance as the living area. A digital dashboard provides all the information you need, seamlessly integrated with augmented reality displays that project navigation directly onto the windshield. The steering wheel is wrapped in hand-stitched leather, while controls are crafted from crystal and brushed metal. Even behind the wheel, this doesn't feel like piloting a motorhome. It feels like commanding a yacht. And then, of course, there's the price. Rolls-Royce has never been about affordability, and this motorhome is no exception. Prices start at an eye-watering $3.2 million, but for most customers, that's just the beginning. With customization options virtually limitless, buyers are expected to spend upwards of $5 million or more, depending on how bespoke their design becomes. But for the clientele that Rolls-Royce caters to, this isn't just a purchase. It's an investment in a lifestyle, a statement of success, and a way of traveling that has no equal. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't for everyone, and that's the point. It's for the very few who demand not just luxury, but the ultimate expression of it, who want to take their lifestyle on the road without a single compromise. It's for those who see travel not as a necessity, but as an art form. So, as we wrap up this review, one thing is clear: Rolls-Royce has done it again. They've taken something as practical as a motorhome and elevated it to a level of craftsmanship, comfort, and elegance that defies imagination. This is not just the future of luxury travel, it is the pinnacle, and that concludes our in-depth look at the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more incredible machines like this, don't forget to subscribe, and join us here on Rolls-Royce Motorhome, where luxury meets adventure. Until next time, safe travels and dream big.